everybody, my name is Achintya Sharma and today we'll be creating a rainbow game in Sprite Lab. So in this game there will be one character and he has to go and touch the cake, and if he touches the bees he will spawn back. So let's see how it works. So this is it, the game that I've created. If I go like this, then when I touch this cake, the cake moves like this, and if I touch any of these bees, I'll spawn back to my location. So let's learn how to develop this. So first of all, go to Venram. Now make the sprite to this character. You can choose your favorite sprite. I'm choosing this one over here. Then go to world. Then drag and drop this like this and set this background to rainbow. This one. Now I want my character to be at the bottom of over here. So click on this pin option and set your character over here like this. Now go to you have to go to loops, drag and drop this, make this as 4 like this. Now go to sprites again and make a new sprite. Now change this to bees, and instead of this block, remove it and go to locations and drag and drop this random location like this. Now one sprite begins, so you have to go in behaviors and drag and drop this and change this sprite as bee over here like this. You have to go to the events, you have to go to the behaviors, wandering like this, fit this one in. Now again you have to go to sprites and select this one, change this one to now this cake one like this, and I want my cake to be at the side, so I just want my cake to be here like this. And then set sprite size, so go to sprite again and set its size. Go to action, now here set size, and I want this one to look like 80. Let's make it 80 like this, and don't forget to change this sprite like this. Then you have to go to the events, drag and drop this over here like this, and change this one to your character, that is this. Then change this one to the cupcake. Then you have to again go here with the sprite, and you have to find your sprite jumps over here. Go to actions and here drag and drop this one over here like this and make this cake. Then you have to go, we have to code for this, like if we click on the up arrow, so for that, so go in the events, drag and drop this, and then select this up only. Now go to actions like this and drag and drop this like this, and don't forget to change the sprite once again, I'm telling you. Then again go to the events, when down pressed, you have to choose, make this one as south, so go over here like this and make this as south. Now again go to the events and change this one to your character. When left pressed, so left, it should go to the west. Again go over here, drag and drop this and make this as, it should go to the west. Then again you have to drag. Now we are coding for the right one, right button we click, so over here like this. Then again you have to go and go to the actions over here, drag and drop this over here like this. And if you want to increase the speed, just change this over here like this and make this as east, and change your sprite to this character like this. So now let's run and see whether it's working or not. We have forgotten one code over here, that if we touch any of these bees, we have to go back to our normal location. So again go to sprites and go to actions No, sorry, you have to go to events. I'm sorry for that. Drag and drop this. Now when this touches the B, okay, when this touches the B, you have to change its location to the same spawn location where it is going to spawn. So set, go to actions like this and select this one over here. Now change the sprite. Instead of random location, delete that block and make this block like this, and here you can align it like this. Now let's run and see. If I touch any of the B's, I go back like this, and if I go and touch the cake, I'll go there. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like my video, and please subscribe my video.